In your intercom system, maybe you have some analog 4-wire connections or AS3 4-wire connections, or maybe you have a walkie-talkie system like, for example, Motorola, that you want to patch in to your intercom system. Or maybe you run an event like a convention center and there's lots of different locations where you need just a couple of inputs, couple of outputs that you can then have available as part of your audio network. In those kind of situations, the NSA007 is the perfect solution to bond those different channels all together. Now, it has 2 universal inputs and 2 universal outputs. And if you want to find more about the universal ins and outs, you can check out another video. We also have 3 GPI ins, 3 GPI outs, which we can use for on-air signals, for call lights, for door switches, for manual push buttons. Anything that uses GPI can be connected through those. We also, on the NSA007, have USB audio, so you can link in your laptop audio to the NSA007 and then play audio from it, record audio into your laptop that's coming out of the AS67 network. And because it is a small device with 2 inputs, 2 outputs, that means that it's really modular. You can chop and change the different modules if you need a different kind of channel count. We can also quickly place a device in a specific location if we need to add a couple of channels there. And also, if the devices start becoming disconnected because you have a malevolent actor cutting through cables, for example, then you're only going to be losing one device if both cables for that device are cut through and not the entire patch panel. Now, as with all of the other StageLink devices, we can offer SMPTE 2022-7 protocol network redundancy. And if you want to know more about that, you can check out this other video right here. And we can also offer daisy chaining of the different NSA boxes to create a network across large areas, even if we don't have switch access in those areas. You'll find that the management port on the NSA007 offers out-of-band management. So this means that we can send the commands to the NSA007 separately from the media. So if the media networks were to become flooded, then we can still access the box via the management port. And it allows us to have a balanced number, 2 inputs, 2 outputs in a specific location connected over the network. Now, if you want to get it up and running, there are just a couple of steps you need to follow. Firstly, you'll connect the NSA007 to the network. Once it's in the network, you'll need to prepare it for the kind of mode you want it to be running in, whether that's integrated with Riedel Intercom, be that Artist or Bolero, or you can have it in manual AS67 mode where you configure the stream parameters yourself, or you can have it as part of an NMOS network where a lot of the management is just made very user-friendly and interoperable with systems from other manufacturers. We can also use the flashing LEDs on the display to identify the device and the individual ports so that you can tell someone, plug the cable into the port with the flashing LEDs. And then once you have it set up, all you need to do is connect the audio destinations, the audio sources, and then enjoy the sound.